I'm not even gonna lie to you. This shit easy. So that's how we're printing. There's another way on how I'm printing. And this is TikTok live battles. People go on live on TikTok and you make money. Who knew live streamers made money? But yeah, I taught my brother Lord Trunks how to do this. And then last 30 days, he made like 7 bands off of that. And then also another thing, sell something, bro. So build a Shopify store, sell shit, bro. Like actually just sell anything. Right here, you can build merch. You don't even need money, bro. Boom, supplier ships it out, okay? I've done that. Create a digital product like I've done before and me and my brother have done. We sell hundreds of these a day. And yeah, that's one way. Also, is just coaching, bro. Happy fucking just be like, hey, if this is just another way on how to make money. If you know how to do shit, teach other people. Post it on your story and look, hella people DM me. They want to give me their money. Just like how I'm doing it right now. And that's it, bro. So if you want to learn how I'm doing all this, W in the chat, escape the fucking matrix.